Best roofing material for hot areas? White rubber-based coatings like R400 are honestly the real MVPs for keeping your house cool and cutting energy bills. So here's the lowdown. First off, get a solid base on your roof, like a deck with hot mopped felt. That's your foundation. Then slap on a couple of coats of a good rubber-based white paint, like R400. This paint reflects sunlight like a champ, keeping your attic temps just a degree over outside temps. Every year, just take a quick trip up there to give it a light bleach wash with some liquid soap to kill mildew. That keeps it fresh without hassle. If you spot any worn areas, a little touch-up goes a long way. About every 10 years, throw on an extra coat to keep that reflective shield strong. The best part? No cracks or joints for wind to mess with, so hurricanes don't stand a chance. All that means you can chill with your air conditioning running low and still have power bills around $60 in the hottest months. One of the biggest mistakes people make with roofing in hot climates is picking dark or asphalt shingles that soak up heat and jack up cooling costs. Switch to reflective white coatings instead. Another common issue is neglecting maintenance. If you skip the yearly cleaning and touch-ups, mildew and cracks can sneak in and ruin your roof's efficiency fast. Lastly, some folks think they need complicated multi-layer roofs, but often a simple deck with rubber coating is enough and way easier on the wallet and upkeep. Fix those by choosing light-colored materials, sticking to an annual cleaning routine, and keeping your roof system straightforward. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about roofing and other home projects. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to connect with people needing work done, so everyone wins.